Hey, what's going on guys? First Tech Hub here. This is my unboxing and first impression of the all-new Samsung Galaxy A50. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is a mid-range device that offers premium experience at a very affordable rate. It's a mid-range device with a 3-camera setup at the back, Infinity U display with an in-display fingerprint. But before I begin, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to join this awesome family and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss out on my future videos. Opening the box reveals the smartphone inside a plastic shell that houses little description about the phone. It feels like a premium device already from a premium manufacturer. But let's keep it aside and see what else is inside the box. We'll get back to it in a bit. Moving on is a 5-volt charging brick that supports adaptive fast charging, a Type-C charging cable, a standard earpiece, SIM ejector tool, and on the other side of the box includes a protective plastic case to help protect the device, a warranty card, and a quick start guide. Now back to the device. You see something that feels substantial, it feels premium, it's valuable, it looks beautiful, and above all it feels nice to hold. On the back of the device is where you find the 3-camera setup with a single flash. On the right side of the device, you find the power button and the volume rockers. On the left side houses a dual nano SIM slot with an SD card slot. At the bottom, you find a headphone jack, a Type-C charging port, speaker grill, and a microphone dot. On top, you find another microphone hole. And then in front, it has a single 25 megapixels f2.0 selfie camera. After a quick rundown from the setup process, you are greeted with a huge 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display, which is a 2340 by 1080p resolution. The Super AMOLED display is very sharp, colors are super vivid, very rich in contrast, and it is very satisfying to look at. The display covers the phone edge to edge for a phone that is nearly bezel-less. Let's talk specification. My unit here comes with an Exynos 9610 octa-core CPU that is clocked at 2.3 GHz for the first 4 cores and 1.7 GHz for the remaining 4 cores with a Mali G72 GPU. A huge 128 GB of internal storage, a 4000 mAh battery, a wide coverage of 4G LTE band that supports Glo 4G band, and lastly Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. About performance, it feels very snappy with no noticeable lag so far. The user interface is very responsive, but I have to reserve my verdict for the full review, so you make sure you subscribe so you won't miss it. The in-display fingerprint scanner is super nice to have. Though it isn't as fast as the normal fingerprint scanner, it was able to unlock the phone quickly enough, though it took some time during the setup process, which is quite longer than what you expect coming from a traditional fingerprint scanner. All in all, it is a welcome feature to have, and I like the direction it's leading us cause I believe it is the future. Face unlock is also on board, so you can have both activated, and it works very well even at night or dark environment. One of the major highlights of the Galaxy A50 is a triple camera setup at the back. The first camera is a 5 megapixels camera with an f2.2 aperture used for depth sensing. The second camera is a main sensor with a 25 megapixels f1.7 aperture used for highlights and general photo taking. The third sensor is an ultra-wide camera with an 8 megapixel sensor used for super wide angle images. The next slide is the sample images I took. So far, it looks very promising. Let me know what you think about the images in the comment section below. What's up guys, this is what it looks like to shoot a video using the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy A50. It is quite impressive. The Samsung Galaxy A50 retails for 103,000 naira, and it is surprising. Samsung phone doesn't come this cheap in Nigeria, especially if it is fully loaded with good specs and packs plenty features like this. So this makes this device an interesting one for anybody that wants a decent mid-range smartphone from a reputable brand like Samsung. So that is it, guys. Let me know what you think about this phone in the comment section below. Share your thoughts with me. Also let me know what type of content you'd like me to do with this device. Like and share this video to help someone make a buying decision. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.